Hey, welcome back to Michelle Little Things. So glad to see you again. Please consider subscribing. This video today is based off of the buffet that I received from my grandmother about a year and a half ago. I was instantly drawn to the details of it. This buffet is well over 50 years old. I've lived with it in this brown color for a while, and it's in immaculate condition. There's no major dents or dings in it, and it's time to paint it. I started color blocking it and figured this is not what I was looking for. And so I'm going to spray paint it. I'm painting it with the Cryline Paint and Primer Satin Ivory. From the first coat, I knew that this was it. I instantly fell in love with the outcome of what the spray paint was doing. I'm sure that someone is asking in the comment section below, Michelle, why are you painting this on the inside of the house? Well, my answer is simply I didn't have anyone to help me put it outside to paint it or even move it to the garage for that matter. And so this was the next best thing, to paint it on the inside of the house. And here we are. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. It's exactly what I wanted. A solid color of ivory. It's so pretty. It looks even more beautiful with the handles on. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe.